through the storm and fire. His hands hold me when I'm tired. Every step I take is in His plan. I trust in His will, I know He understands. Walking through the valley, the shadows are long, but I feel His presence, I know I'm strong. Every trial's a blessing, a piece of His design. His light will lead me, I'll follow the signs. Though the path is rough, I will not stray. His love's my compass, it shows the way. Even when I fall, His grace is near. Through the pain and doubt, He calms my fear. It's God's plan, not mine to know. Through every high and every low, I'll trust in Him, His love will stay. God in my life, come on, man. Just plan for me. God in my life, come what may. Sometimes I wonder why the storms arise, but then I see His work through my tearful eyes. He shapes my journey every step, every mile, turning my struggles into something worthwhile. It's faith over fear, grace over doubt. Even in silence, I know He's about moving mountains I can't even see. His love's the key that's setting me free. God's timing is perfect, His purpose is clear. When the road is tough, I feel Him near. I surrender it all, I let Him steer. For His love is eternal, it conquers fear. It's God's plan, not mine to know. Through every high and every low, I'll trust in Him, His love will stay. God in my life, come on, man. Just plan for me. God in my life, come what may. Jah guide me, I will follow. Through every joy, through every sorrow, His plan's my peace, my destiny. Forever in His love I'll be free. Jah guide me through the storm and fire. Through every joy, through every sorrow, His plan's my peace, my destiny. Forever in His love I'll be free.